Hello everybody, my name is Farmer Phil, and in today's video it is that time of the year again, and it is time to get some lights on some tractors for the Christmas lights run this year in Abbeyshrule. This year we are stepping it up a notch, and I think we are going to the highest level that there is possible for us to do. We are decorating the 99 and the big square Baler. So we are aiming for Rudolph and Santa's sleigh. So we have an inflatable Santa to go up on the rails. We have a lot of lights to go on it, and we have red lights to go on the, or do it lifting that too, red lights to go on the A-frame to make it really stand out. So we have a lot to do, a lot of lights to put on it, so we better get stuck into it. And then Bro's also decorating the 7618 over there, but that's his own business. But yeah, we are going all out this year. So first things first, I got to wire in my inverter from the 3690, and then we start into lights. Well, I might get them at lights while I get the inverter wired in, so we can power all these lights. But yeah, this is going to be epic, hopefully. Inverter now in, wired in, happy days. So this is where it's going to be. So I have to get some ways keeping it there, but it gives us an idea. All our lights have to go to that point so we can do it. So now we have to trace that wire around to the front, and that's our red lights.
Which end you
for thing. We'll have to start with this end to get it right, and then it can just keep wrapping around all of that. So yeah, happy days. So we are on top of the Baler. Our lights are on it. Santi is now here, so you can knock it off there, Jess. So next thing now is to get some lights to make it look like rain's going to the back window of the tractor and back and around.
Down he goes. Bye bye, Santa. Bye bye. He's actually looking very depressed now. Oh, it's very sad. Look, his head's going. Oh no.
Now, moment of truth. Let there be lights.
Let the big man himself rise.
So turn off the lights in the house and in the workshop there. See what it's like. So we still have to tidy up our bonnet lights. We need to get some, we're going to get some heavy tape just to tape it on, because we need to respray these bonnets because they are so pink. After we put the teacup on it, the pinkness was ridiculous. So they need to be repainted. So we're just going to stick black tape just to keep it on. Really good Gorilla tape. But this is, oh, still waiting for the workshop light to turn off. We have Rudolph's red nose. Them lights there. When we get that tidied, we're going to run them around the front of the tractor, around the handlebars and around the mirrors, guards and that. So Rudolph's red nose, his head.
Blanket on him too.
The steps, 4 steps to heaven. Santa's reins. And the lights, and Bro's lights then as well. This is something else. That looks savage. So yeah, I think my eyelids are starting to freeze now.
Yeah.
Now that the lights are off. So it's time.
It's a cow job.
It's time to head in, so we'll disconnect the power going to all the lights. Damn, Daniel!
That's some sleigh right there. Santa's very impressed with himself.
He is, isn't he?
Yeah. Look at him.
That is just
on his face. Biggest grin.
Oh yeah, I'm well happy with that now. And we haven't even turned on like the lights in the tractor with the extra lights and that.
Stars?
Or oh, your stars, Liv. Turn on your stars. Turn on your stars, Livy.
Yeah, either side. I didn't touch it.
So we're just about ready to go. Bro's all decorated. We're just about finished. What's Jessica doing? Huh?
The last of them on.
Okay. Throw it across and just tie it on the other side. So we have it wrapped round, up, wrapped round, wrapped round. So it's not looking too bad now. Someone hold the camera there. As always, a panic to get finished because between getting all the jobs done this morning, it's taking a bit too long. We're running a bit on the late side, but make sure that this is not going to full lock, full lock. Cable tie.
Yeah, it's a long way.
Okay. Turn on the light. Yeah, and that is our lights on. It's not till we get in tonight before we see how good it is. But we're just ready to go now, so we'll be a hunt Abbeyshrule. So take us about 3/4 of an hour or an hour to get there. Won't be going hard anyways. Happy out? Ready to go?
Yeah.
You have everything, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, Liv. Away we go. Yeah. So we have just pulled in at the runway. Santi made the journey. You can see him there. Happy days. So there's a nice stream of stuff coming in here, so we'll go have a look, chat a few people, see what there is to be seen, and we're an hour in time, so we've lots of time. So I'm going to leave her running, just in case. We did have to jump it to get her going today, so hopefully it's alright. Doesn't look too bad. I think we travelled alright, Liv, did we? Liv, where are you gone?
Sorry.
So, just after having a mug of tea, well, coffee, in the airfield, there's a good line of stuff coming in now. What time is it?
10 to, I think. 5 to.
It's 5 to 5, so definitely a lot of stuff has come in now. So we're going to get some drone footage off Alan later on, so that'll be interesting to see everything. So yeah, happy days now. Happy days. Lots of stuff coming in. So we're back in the tractor and we are ready to go now. So they're just starting to pull off. The vintage tractors are going first, and we're following them up ahead of all the modern tractors. So I think there's about 140 tractors here. Santa's looking well there. Some show lights, and I hope the drone footage looks well. I didn't do it, Alan has done it. There'll be some tags that have his Instagram or his socials there on it. But it's two harvesters. So that's us finished in Ballymacken. So this tractor run is raising money for Cian's Kennels, a local charity in Killasheen, down beside us, and we work for the family. So it's a charity for providing kennel accommodation for pets of sick children in Dublin, so their pets can be nearby, so they can be brought to the hospital. A good cause. We're going to leave a GoFundMe link in the description down below, so if anyone wants to chip in a bit, you can chip it in down there. That is it. We're going to turn around now and drive against all the traffic, so we'll show you everything as we drive against them, and then we will be baiting on home and do a quick tour around it. That's it. But if you want to go support the cause, there'll be a link to the GoFundMe in the description down below. We're going to bay on back to the house. That has to be one of the best ones. And that is what it looks like at night. How cool is that? So that's us back. I've pulled up on the lawn, and because everything is plug-in lights, I'm going to get an extension cable running from the house out to the tractor, and I'm going to leave it parked here till there's rain in the forecast. Once there's rain in the forecast, I have a bulb gone too. Here, that heard there's a bad connection. We're going to leave that plugged in, and until there's rain in the forecast. As soon as there's rain in the forecast, Baler is going to go back inside. There ever a bit of frost and that bit of moisture, but rain definitely won't do it any good. So she'll go back in when there's rain in the forecast. But until then, we're going to leave it out the front of the house for people to drive past. The road is literally their side of the hedge, so we're going to leave it at that for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. We have went all out. I do not think we could go any more out than that, but just how good. I am just so happy with how well that's worked out for us. It looks the bee's knees. We're going to leave it at that for today's video. As always, please like and subscribe to the channel. Videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday. Hope everyone has a good Christmas and gets all the presents bought. But that's it from me. Good luck.